I'm a DIY expert. Today I'm with my girls, Pearl and Vivian. Say hi.
Hi.
Today we're gonna make sock donuts.
What are sock donuts?
Oh, you're gonna love them. Do you like donuts?
Yes.
Okay. These are kind of like real donuts.
But they're socks!
They're socks. They're so fun. These are the ones we're gonna make. For this craft, you'll need to have socks, felt sheets, scissors, puff paint, and a hot glue gun. So the first step is you want to grab a sock, and we want to turn it inside out because we're going to roll them, and we want the outside of the sock to be on the outside. Step 2, cut that toe off just above. I'm going to cut just above that yellow line there.
I already did.
A little hat for a doll. So we've cut our toes off, and we have our inside out sock, and now we're just going to roll it. Okay, so roll, roll, roll. You see how we're doing? Yeah, I think you're doing it. Yes, just like that. Keep rolling until you can't roll anymore. That is your donuts. The next step is we want to make our drippy frosting for the top of our donut. So to create the frosting, we're going to cut it out of colored felt. Trace a squiggly line around your donut and then make a circle in the middle.
Like a squiggly.
A squiggly. Yes.
Squiggly snake.
Squiggly snake all the way around your donut. Scissors out. Now cut out your frosting. All right, we have frosting. Where are we gonna put it?
Oh no, donut!
The next step is hot glue your frosting to your donut. Okay, now it's time to put sprinkles on our frosting. This is the part where you can really have fun with it. You can use different colors, you can make different designs, you can write your name on it. Puffy paints usually take a few hours to dry, depending on how big you make your sprinkles. Show us your donut. Look, look, they are adorable.
Yummy.
These are really cute and fun to make, but I mean, can we eat them? No, so you know what? Let's eat these. If you like the video, comment below and make sure you subscribe to Awestruck for more kid crafts. Bye!